Hey, today we're here in Crete, Illinois doing a tour of downtown Crete. So here I'm at the intersection of Route 1 and Exchange Street. And at this intersection here, Crete has this nice entrance here with their cool clock. I also see a sign here that farmers markets meet here every Monday, June through August. We got a bunch of cyclists coming up to visit. That's pretty cool too. Not planned. All right, so what I'm gonna do is we're on the north end of the downtown, and then we're gonna walk to the south end. It's about 2 blocks. I'll just point out cool things in the area, and you can get a feel for the downtown area. Hey, just want to do a quick introduction. My name is Tony Anczer, your Illinois and Indiana real estate agent. So I'd love to help you with any buying or selling needs. More information about me and the area is on my YouTube channel and link below. All right, so hey, on the north side here, we got Crete United Methodist Church. And then I'm going to, it's kind of neat to see all the cyclists cruising down. All right, so I'm going to cross the street over here a bit. This is actually my second time doing this video. I forgot to change a setting earlier and had to redo it. Oh, also, on the bottom of the screen, you're going to see this view here, which is a map of showing exactly where we are at all times. So you'll know exactly where we're at during this video. Okay, as I cross the street here, we're looking at Evil Horse Brewing and the Loft restaurant on top, 2 separate places. But Evil Horse is really cool. It's a brewery and they got good food. I really like the ambiance in there. It's got it decorated really cool architecture. And then the Loft is one of Crete's nicest restaurants. So those are cool places to visit. All right, so now we're at Exchange and Route 1, also called Dixie Highway. The Crete Fire Department is right there. You'll see that the train is a little down the street. Like a lot of towns, Crete built out in the train area first and then expanded. So here we got the Napa Auto Care Center. Across the street, that's the southeast corner right there of Illinois, Route 1 and Exchange. That's a gas station being rebuilt. Here we got Chuck's Tavern. Back in my early 20s, this was a place that we would go Wednesday or Thursday, I can't forget. They had some sort of special that drew us in, and they got Mexican food in there too. All right, here we got a little R&R Salon. It's like the Crete sandwich shop is no more, so that'll be something else. We got the Main Street Optical here. This place I'm a patron of, if that's the right word. Patron? I think so. Yeah, this is the Edge Coffeehouse. It's pretty cool ambiance in there too. You go there, in between appointments, you got some time to kill, you need some Wi-Fi, it's a good spot to be. Here is a real popular place in Crete. This is the Aurelio's Pizza. One of our family favorites here is they've got a lunch buffet that's really good. Reasonably priced, lots of good food options. I'm over my goal weight right now, so I'm staying away from that one for a bit. We got Crete Park on Main. Across the street there is Crete Grocery Store, Fresh Market. Also across the street, we'll see a Fitness Premier right there. And that is in the suburbs in this area, there's a chain of those. So you belong to one, you can go to any of them. There's one in Beecher for sure. It's either Piatone or Moni, possibly both. We're here obviously in Crete. So you get a membership there. You can use any of those facilities. All right, behind me here is the BMO Bank. You'll see lots of decorations, and what it is this is Memorial Day weekend in 2024, and I'm recording this is Saturday. On the Monday of Memorial Day, they have a really cool parade. That's one of the things Crete's known for, is their Memorial Day parade. Just checking there's a loud car, I don't know where it's coming from. That's cool. All right, so to the west here is the Crete Post Office. We got the Old Town Mall here. The ice cream shop. Looks pretty cool. I'd actually never been in here before. I like how it looks pretty. I don't know if you can see it or not, but got a pretty cool look to it. Over there it's mixed use, so they've got on the bottom level are stores and stuff, and up top is apartments that a buddy Kurt used to live there for a while. We got the Old Town Mall, the Crete country store. So here we got some laundry, physical therapy, Woods Corner, breakfast and lunch across the street. Got Roxanne, that's new to me. I'm not sure what that is. Looks like a bar. Got Country Financial. And across the street we got I had some work done on car once. They installed a trailer hitch for me. I'm not sure what that business name is, but they do trailers and welding. We got a Pizza Hut here. This used to be Cal's Chicken City, which was a popular spot. Now you got Pizza Hut. Cool. And we are now at the south limit of the Crete downtown. So I hope you like this video. Again, love to help you with your buying or selling real estate needs. Contact information is below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around town.